Welcome to a rare opportunity. 25 premium home sites perched atop an exclusive hilltop loop where the hard work is already done. Each lot has been professionally cleared, removing heavy brush, debris, and obstacles, creating clean, build-ready sites designed to streamline your custom home process. Strategic tree thinning and selective clearing have unveiled the kind of panoramic views most buyers only dream about. Sun-drenched ridgelines, distant hills, golf course fairways, and sparkling evening lights. Grading and access improvements on select parcels make building easier, faster, and more cost-effective.
This is your view of the flag on the first green from your backyard on lot 391.
These enhancements aren't just cosmetic. They translate into faster permits, smoother builds, and increased long-term value. Turnkey home sites, ready when you are. With only 25 lots available, and the best ones already cleared.
We're at the third green at Winchester Country Club, and off to my left is lot 399, one of our premier golf course lots in the new phase of the residences at Winchester.
Now is the time to secure your future view, your custom vision, your elevated lifestyle.
Here we are at the Winchester Country Club Golf Course Clubhouse above the 18th fairway.
Your dream lot is already revealed. Schedule your private tour today.